Hi guys, we have reached Satwa Urbana, the upcoming 100 acres of property which is coming just next to the Hyderabad toll gate, 5 minutes from the airport. A township of its own kind, offering you a luxury living. So when you see on the right side that you can see the boats, it's all approximately 80 acres of land parcel which is yet to come and develop. So this is a school that we are talking on the NPS, which is fully functional. और इसके अंदर सतवा हैज ट्रू लैंड पार्सल्स वन ऑफ 80 acres जो हमने पहले देखा, and there is another 15 acres which is coming known as Satwa Vasanta Sky, offering you studio, 1 bedroom, 2 bedroom, 3 bedroom and 4 bedroom. तो एयरपोर्ट से 5 मिनट, अपकमिंग मेट्रो स्टेशन से 800 मीटर, तो यू हैव अ गुड कनेक्टिविटी एंड अ गुड लाइफस्टाइल that is being offered into a township. So now we are entering Satwa Vasanta Sky, which is on the left. So बाकी मिलते हैं अंदर. Yeah, hi guys. So we are standing at Satwa Vasanta Sky, offering you a 16 acres of a luxury lifestyle living, offering you 3 blocks and 16 wings, 14 floors, 2 basement. आपके पास जो ऑप्शंस हैं स्टूडियो से लेके यू हैव ऑप्शंस टिल 4 bedroom, स्टार्टिंग फ्रॉम 450 स्क्वायर फीट एंड गोज अप टू 2500 स्क्वायर फीट का 4 bedroom. ऑप्शंस बहुत वास्ट है. 13 एकड़ की तो सिर्फ ओपन एरिया की हम बात कर रहे हैं, प्लस 1 lakh स्क्वायर फीट ऑफ अ क्लब हाउस, 50 plus world class amenities. We'll have a look at the miniature of the structure which is available at the site. This property has to offer you a vast amount of greenery with its open area. जहाँ पे हम सामने जो स्पेस देख रहे हैं, which goes on a 13 acres of the lush greenery which the property has to offer. 1 lakh स्क्वायर फीट का क्लब हाउस है, G+14 स्ट्रक्चर है. And when you look into this property, आपके पास advantages on the location. You have many things. You are very much close proximity to the airport. You are very much close proximity to the upcoming metros, upcoming IT parks, and the connectivity itself talks on this particular property. So Salapuria Satwa starts to you at a base price of 9,500 rupees per square feet, and a huge amount of inventories are available. So please come down and have a look. Now we'll go to the model apartments. The model apartments हमारे पास we have 2 configurations. One is of 3 bedroom and one is of 4 bedroom. So we'll go further inside and we'll have a look at the model apartment, what the model has to offer. So hi guys, we are at Vasanta Sky by Satwa. So we are at the model apartment of a 4 bedroom of 2,400 change square feet, which has to offer a good foyer space that you see within the entrance. And the moment you land up to the living and dining completely keeps running across, along with the attached balcony on that side. And you have a kitchen that you cannot refuse the size. The kind of luxury within the property, within the community that you're going to get, you are getting a cricket pitch, you are going to getting a running track along with the cricket pitch. So those are the amenities. तो अभी हम किचन में हैं, and kitchen when you see it is a completely L-shaped kitchen. Parallel में आपको wet area और dry area मिलता है with a separate utility on my back. And जैसे आप वापस लिविंग रूम में आते हो तो यहाँ पे हमने 6 सीटर का डाइनिंग रूम दिखाया है आपको, जहाँ पे you have a good space behind me for the living attached with the balcony. So now let's go to the master bedroom. So the unit का जो एंगल प्लेसमेंट बताया जाता है, 1 bedroom अपनी इस तरफ आती है and 3 bedroom comes on that particular side on my right. So let's go to the master bedroom and let's have a look. So master bedroom की जो offering है, you have a good space within. So यहाँ पे you have a dedicated cupboard space that you get the walk-in closet with the attached washroom. और जो हाइट आप यहाँ पे सीलिंग की देख रहे हो ना, जो आप देख रहे हो आपको वही मिलेगी. इट इज अप्रॉक्सीमेटली 11 feet that you are getting, and the master bedroom has an attached balcony again, so that offers you a good ventilation inside the property, and you are very much close to the green area of the property. So major of the units when you talk on the 4 bedroom and the 3 bedroom, these are facing your 13 acres of the open area including the clubhouse. So let's go to the next of the 3 bedrooms, wherein you have a guest bedroom, and the bedrooms also even are offering you a bay window concept. और यहाँ पे आप अगर देखोगे, दिस इज द गेस्ट बेडरूम which is a normal room. There's no washroom in that. The common washroom is just opposite to the bedroom. So when we look into the washroom space is vast and a good space enough that you're going to get in your washroom. Then going a little forward, you have one more bedroom on the left, so which again has to offer you a bay window, and that again goes with an attached washroom. So the home talks a lot about the luxury on its offer and the privacy that you're going to get. And now coming to one of the kids bedroom, so which has got an attached washroom, and you have the bedroom again over here with a sitting area. The sitting area itself is a little huge, so the space that you're getting in the balcony, so aap chaho so you can use it into a multi-level thing. So this is a 4-bedroom of 2450 square feet at Salapuria Vasanta Sky. अभी हम 3 बेडरूम भी देखेंगे. प्राइसिंग थोड़ा वेट कीजिए, आगे बढ़. सो वी आर एट द वसंता स्काई एंड वी आर लुकिंग एट अ 3 बेडरूम ऑफ 1831 स्क्वायर फीट. तो इसमें आप अगर डायमेंशन का बात करते हैं तो कंप्लीट हाउस जो मेरे पीछे है, इट इज कंप्लीटली गोइंग इनटू अ एल शेप. तो एज यू एंटर इनटू द फोयर and complete all the rooms are towards that side. So the advantage that you get, you have a good foyer area with a separated living and the dining room with an attached balcony. तो इस स्पेस के बारे में आप जब देखिएगा, the space is vast enough to talk and you have your own cutlery space that is dedicated. तो जैसे हम अंदर आते हैं तो we have a look at the kitchen. So kitchen is again running parallel to each other and going into a L shape with a separate utility and the wet area that you have basically talking here. So now again we are back to the living room. तो जहाँ पे you have 3 bedrooms that has to be in the offer. So जो मेरे पीछे है, that is the guest bedroom that we are talking, and those are the 2 bedrooms that we are talking, the master and with a kids bedroom. तो जैसे हम guest bedroom में आते हैं तो you have a good 12 by 12 space of the guest bedroom with a good cupboard space. ये मॉडल अपार्टमेंट में जो स्पेस आपको दिख रहा है, that is the space that you're going to get your home even after your interiors are done. So which offers you a good size of a balcony for the ventilation across in the guest bedroom. और जैसे हम आगे आते हैं तो you have one bedroom to the right and one washroom to the left. 5 by 8 का आपका कॉमन वॉशरूम आता है. एंड किड्स बेडरूम में आप अगर देखते हो तो you have again a good 12 by 12 space of a kids bedroom with attached washroom and a good sit out area for the kids. तो डिजाइन आप इस हिसाब से देखिएगा तो you have a good study area, you have a good balcony space, the cupboards are dedicated at the space and you have a good attached washroom. So now going to the master bedroom that's in the offering. So master bedroom itself, when we talk about the masters. So a good size of 13 by 14 square feet of the master bedroom with the attached washroom on the left. Again the balcony on my right, on the good space for the cupboards, a dedicated space for the cupboards that you basically get within the property. So 3 bedroom of 1831 square feet जो हमने देखा at Vasanta Sky. इससे पहले हमने देखा 4 bedroom of 2400 change square feet. यहाँ पे आपके पास बहुत ऑफरिंग्स है. We have 1 bedroom, we have 2 bedroom, 3 bedrooms. We have multiple layouts with 3 bedroom 2 toilet to 3 bedroom 3 toilet. And 4 bedrooms we have 2400 plus square feet. प्राइस आपका चालू होता है 1 bedroom 80 लाख से, 2 bedroom आपका चालू होता है 1.2 CR से, 3 bedroom आपका चालू होता है 1.6 से, and this unit that we are standing right now is in the offering at 1.98 CR, and the 4 bedroom start to you from 2.4 CR. So you have good options available starting to you from 60 lakhs till 2.5 CR. So please do visit Satwa Vasanta Sky, a location that speaks about itself, the township that talks about itself, and you have a good luxury in the offering. Do visit Salapuria Vasanta Sky. The base rate of the property starts to you from 9,500 square feet. Thank you. So, hi रतन जी.
बस
पहला टाउनशिप तो आपने दिखा दिया, सतवा वसंता स्काई. अभी हमारे व्यूअर्स के लिए थोड़ा सा एक इनपुट तो दीजिए. वाई वसंता स्काई?
पृथ्वी, ये पहला टाउनशिप है जो एयरपोर्ट के पास है. अगर आप देखेंगे ना, ये पूरा टाउनशिप 150 एकर्स का है, जिसमें 82 एकर्स लैंड पार्सल इज विद सतवा. एंड आप यू कैन सी अ स्कूल, एनपीएस स्कूल जस्ट ऑपोजिट टू द प्रॉपर्टी विच इज ऑलरेडी फंक्शनल. यहाँ पर ऑलमोस्ट 10 तक बच्चे पढ़ रहे हैं. and we also have a grocery store, medical call facilities, daily needs के लिए जो भी चाहिए, everything is up and active in this township.
Entrance में there was a hotel also that was under construction.
Yes. Entrance में commercial space आएगा सत्वा का, प्लस एक होटल आएगा एंड मेट्रो स्टेशन भी आने वाला है. तो मेट्रो अगर आएगा यहाँ पर, इट इज हार्डली 1 किलोमीटर फ्रॉम द प्रॉपर्टी, फ्रॉम द मेन गेट. तो इसीलिए सत्वा वसंत स्काई जो है, इट इज अ प्रेफरेबल इन्वेस्टमेंट एज ऑफ नाउ इन नॉर्थ बैंगलोर. इट इज अ टाउनशिप. टाउनशिप बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट थिंग है क्योंकि यहाँ पर एवरीथिंग इज लाइक अप एंड फंक्शनल.
एंड कमिंग टू जस्ट एडिंग वन मोर पॉइंट, 16 एकड़ में 13 एकड़ तो सिर्फ ओपन स्पेस है, ठीक है. और ऊपर से आप अगर कनेक्टिविटी देखो, यू आर वेरी मच क्लोज टू योर STRR, यू आर क्लोज टू द एयरपोर्ट्स, यू आर क्लोज टू द अपकमिंग मेट्रो स्टेशन, अ टाउनशिप इनसाइड दैट इज ऑफरिंग यू अ स्कूल एज वेल. तो क्या बोलना चाहिए?
50 प्लस अम्यूनिटीज है 13 एकर्स में. आप मान लीजिए 50 प्लस अम्यूनिटीज आज कौन दे रहा है?
Satwa Vasanta Sky.
Sky.
So please
Enquire
do
now.
visit, inquire
Now.
now.